Video H3 to help you with comparing mixed numbers. So, first rule we have is I compare the whole parts. If one of them is larger, then it doesn't matter what the fraction part is. Sort of like when you have dollars and cents. Rule 2, if the whole part's the same, then I'm going to look at the fraction part. So I check out my whole part. I got a 6 and a 6. They're the same. So then I'm going to the next part. I got 5/8 and 3/8. They already have the same denominator, so I don't have to do anything. 5/8 is more than 3/8. So 6 and 5/8 is more than 6 and 3/8. Try the next one. Try out the whole part. I got a 4 and a 3. So like you would say $4 and something is more than $3 and something. So 4 and an eighth is more than 3 and 7/8. Don't even have to look at the fraction part because the whole number part rules. Check out my whole numbers. I've got a 9 and a 9. Fraction part 1/4 and 3/4. Well, 3/4 is more than 1/4, so we're going that way. 6 and 5/8, 7 and 1/6. I know some people are going, hey, the denominators are different. But you know what? It doesn't matter. Because a 7 is larger than a 6, and we don't even have to do anything with them. Remember, it's like dollars and cents. Try this one out. 6 and 5/8, 6 and 3/4. Okay, so both of these are 6s. So now I'm going to the fractions, and the fractions have different denominators. So I'm going to do what we did when we were just comparing fractions. I got 5/8 and 3/4, so I need to get my denominators the same. I'm going to do a cross multiply butterfly. 8 times 4 is 32. So both denominators are going to be 32. There's my first wing. 5 times 4 is 20. Make sure you put it on this side. And over here I got 8 times 3 is 24. 24 over 32 is more than 20 over 32, so we're going that way. 3/4 is more than 5/8. Some people may have seen that I really didn't have to cross multiply because I can take 4 times 2 to get it to an 8, which means I'm also going to have to take the 3 times 2 to get it to a 6. And I could have just said 6/8 is more than 5/8. Cross multiplying will always work. It may just make your numbers a little bit bigger than what you needed. Check out the next one. Remember rule number 1. Check the whole part. 9 is larger than 7. Don't have to do anything with the fractions. Check the whole part. I got a 5 and a 5. We got 5/6 against 3/4. Okay, this time I'm going to check really fast. I do not have something I can do 4 times something equals 6. So I'm going to cross multiply. I'm getting a 24 from 6 times 4. So both bottoms are going to be 24. 5 times 4 is 20 again. And 6 times 3 is 18. This time 20 over 24 is larger, so we're going this way. 9 and 1/3, 9 and 3/10. They both start with 9. We got 1/3 and 3/10. Cross multiplying, my new denominator is going to be 30. Then we got 1 times 10 over here, 10/30ths, and over here we got 3 times 3. Oh, that was a close one. 10/30ths is just a little bit more than 9/30ths, so 9 and 1/3 is a little bit more than 9 and 3/10. And 4 and 6/9 and 4 and 1/3. Last one we're doing. They both have a 4 in the whole number part, so I'm going to 6/9 against 1/3. You can cross multiply if you want, but I see a shortcut here. I can take 3 times 3 to get to a 9, which means I'm going to take 1 times 3 equals 3. So we got 3/9 and 6/9. 6/9 is larger.